Hey SCS, do you like cereal? I do. And you know what? We are involved in the Cereal Box Domino Challenge right now. We are collecting unopened new boxes of cereal to donate to the Haven Arrest. But we're making it fun. We want to gather 1,000 boxes of cereal to donate to them. And we're making it fun because once we get all of those boxes, we're going to make the domino row all through the school building. It's going to be great. But we still need all of those boxes. Right now we have 200. We have a long way to go to get to that 1,000 by next Friday, November 18th. On November 22nd, we're going to line them up and see how far we get. So if you would like to donate, please do. We would love your support in this effort. If you are not an SCS family and would like to donate, we will gladly take your donation as well. So join us in the Cereal Box Domino Challenge.